Why do I always end up doing oil changes outside, bro? Come on. Box truck. Yeah, give you a little lift. Enough for me to slide under. Get this guy in there. Got my little Gatorade to keep me hydrated outside in this blazing ass heat. But Gatorade sponsor me. Alright, what we got here? Drain plug right here. Alright, predictable. Yeah. There you go. Heat out the way. Give me this. Alright. It's gonna be a little uncomfortable, but see what I can do. Alright, what you got here, buddy? Yeet. Woo! That wasn't so bad. That was pretty smooth. Catch the oil, baby. Alright, filter is gonna be on the other side. Right here. There's the filter hit. Check out the gasket. Looks pretty good. Alright. Yeah. Fuck no. Am I turning it the right way? I don't care. I just work here. Yeah. That's hella tight, bro. I'm literally fucking shaking. Who got the fucking strength for this? Dude, this thing is super tight, bro. It's on there. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Oh. Oh. Fuck. Alright, I'm gonna break one of these. Give me the ammo away. And give me the filter. Flippy. I'll put the drain plug back on. About time. Can you guys see? Hope you guys can see. Oh well. But Ratchet, come here. Get this bitch tight down. Yeah. There you go. I'm gonna have to move the pan out here. Right here. Is that good? Alright, let's see. Whew. Alright. At least it goes as a plan. A little more. Do I have a rag? Yes, I do. Hell yeah.